Hello again, this is me one more time. We're doing practice sets. Practice sets, and we're gonna configure multipath IO. It's just a way for you to have different paths in which you can connect to a physical drive, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna first thing we have to do is we have to come into this server manager, and then you click on add roles and features, and then it tells you a bunch of stuff. All right, let's skip this page by default. I want to skip it just yet because I haven't read it. So then you have to select this one, roles or role based or feature based in selection. Then you select your server, which is this one. You click on Nets. Then you come to server roles, but it's not in there. It's in server features. So once you come in here, you gotta come and select the multipath. Here it is, multipath IO. That's it. You click on Nets. It asks you for confirmation, and then yeah, restart if it's necessary. Yeah, sure. And then you click on install, and this what it's going to do is it's going to start installation. And once this is finished, it is going to restart. Now you can close this, right? Just as it is. You can close it, and once you finish installing, it's gonna just automatically restart. We're gonna just wait in here for a while, so we'll have a sense of how much it's taking. Well, didn't took so long. It's restarting now, and after this comes back up, your multipath IO is gonna be installed. Alright, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one. And fucking subscribe if you want to.